Hello Tolar, nice to talk to you. I am Jenny, and thank you so much to watch our videos so carefully and your email. We really appreciate it. And I guess you can hear the the noise outside the road. They are digging the one we use now to renew it. And uh, the concrete road is still so new. And I guess for the last few years, you could see it when you came to China, right? Yes, this is our government doing to create a new countryside, 新农村, nationally. And I guess this is why the playgrounds and the galleries were built in nearly every countryside. And for the galleries, I don't know what they decorated, and it is made of wood, and I don't see so many political slogans on it. Maybe because our villages are so busy and everybody has no time to notice that. So our local government doesn't pay so much attention to put some decorations like the political slogans or some posters on it every time. Yeah. So they just keep it as it built. and and you seem so know our China so well. Yes, the woods are used to cook, and it will make the meal taste better. Yeah. But we don't use wood so much as we did for the last few years. Yeah. When I was a kid, we used a lot of wood, but not now. Yes. And for the posters, you said about the overdeveloped and the harm problems. I would like to show you what I mean for the last few years. Once I met some minority people who were selling snacks in our city, Putian city, Fujian province. They seem so rude, yeah, and everybody came to them and dare not ask the price, and they just bought it without any bargaining. My friends told me that they are very rude and a bit cruel, maybe, and the people are from Xinjiang province. And of course, some of my relatives are working in Xinjiang province, and they seem so good in that place. They have done the business for around 10 years, just right there. Yeah, and they don't meet any difficulties or any behaviors like gangsters. I don't know. And I can see so many posters like that in our countryside, in our village. And of course, I could see it in Shenzhen city for the last few months when I stayed there. You could see something like that everywhere in China, I guess. So I have no idea about how the government define the hei that kind of power, And in 2017, I stayed in Changsha for around half a year, and I met the merchants from Xinjiang also, who killed the sheep on the streets. They are doing that kind of business, and no one from communities could do business like that, because the police asked them not to do that, but the policeman had nothing to do with it, couldn't do anything about the Xinjiang people, you know. I don't know why this is happening. Maybe the Xinjiang people had their way to fight against what the Han people have done to them. I don't know. And and maybe the Chinese like to do business, not only in China but around the world, right? We can see so many merchants from China around the world. And every place is ruined and overdeveloped, not only in China, I guess. Sometimes I would miss maybe the old houses, the old streets, or some original tastes, you know. But this is maybe the modernization process. I don't know. Thank you again. I don't know if my answers will be satisfactory for you, but your email reminds me that I would pay more attention and I'll read more about that kind of thing. And to tell you what, next time when you come to China, maybe we can have a chance to meet each other. You know, the other, my co-operator Song is very good at this subject, and he also did so much research about that. I think you may have a better communication about that. Okay, bye bye. See you next time.